to the Marriott Hotel with Auntie Genoa Kiave, and Kuana was singing with Auntie Genoa, and Kuana was singing with Akoni Malakas. So way before he joined the group and created the group Napalapalai, I've always been a fan of Kuana. I have a picture, I think it was back in 1994, 93, when Kuana had long hair and we was all playing music, having a jam session in Hilo Hawaiian Hotel after Mary Monarch. So we have been friends for a very long time. And of course I played Napalapalai's music on Hawaiian 105 KINE for many, many years. So anytime we get to share the stage, it's always very special to me because we're friends that go way back. And when he used to perform with Napalapalai at this place called Rainbow Lounge. You guys remember Rainbow Lounge? Yeah? So I used to go watch Rainbow Lounge, go to Rainbow Lounge and watch Napalapalai. And I wouldn't sleep. I would take like 8 shots of espresso. After we go power watch Napalapalai, me and Sonny Ching and Kaui Kamanao and all the kumuhulas, we go eat zippies. And then I will go straight to KCC and FM 100, all Bobolani. Yeah, that was 30 years ago. Now I gotta go take ginkgo biloba and eat protein shake and traded our drinks and our shots of whiskey for shots of espresso and Jello shots. Yeah. With protein. But anyway, it's always a pleasure sharing this stage with all my friends when it comes to hula music, because all of us, hula and Hawaiian music is our life. Without hula, there is no music. Without Hawaiian music, there is no hula. So we want to mahalo all of you folks who's coming to celebrate, to continue to perpetuate our culture. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friend on stage with his friends, Kaulike and Glenn, please welcome rock star, superstar, male vocalist of the year, and Nahoku Hana Award legend, and Kumuhula, and entertainer extraordinaire, Kuana Torres Kahele, and Halau Maluiki Vailehua.
Aloha, aloha everybody. Mahalo for being here today at Kamaʻāina Sunday at the Palace. And a very, very big mahalo to my dear Tita Mele for the beautiful introduction. We do go back some years, and you know, as you get older, you try not to count those years because it just kind of puts everything into perspective. But at the same time, it blows your mind how fast time moves. Yeah, so you gotta make every moment count, and we really, really try to do so. And so I brought some friends, as she mentioned today. My 2 pals on the stage over here, Kaulike on the guitar. He came all the way from the island of Maui. Glenn Mayeda on the bass. He came from the island of Nanakuli, Kapolei to be exact. And I just flew in from the island of Hawaii. I've been a resident of the island of Oahu for about 29 years. And just last year, I moved back home to the island of Hawaii. And I'm just a year shy of 30 because 29 sounds so much better than 30. 30 sounds like a long time, but 29 is not too bad. But I also bring my ladies of Halau Malua Ki'iwailehua as well as the Kane. We're going to put on a little show for you folks and kind of try and help keep the internal temperature down with all this sun. But it is a beautiful day. Okay, I'm just going to be quiet and we're going to do what we do. This first song for the Haliali'i just behind you, this mele entitled Ali'i Iolani.
ka pahone